National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bamberg County in central South Carolina, Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Denmark to near Branchville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Bamberg, Denmark, Brookdale, Branchville, Bowman, Orangeburg County Airport, Claflin College, Edisto Gardens, South Carolina State University, North, Mises, Norway, Roseville, Woodford, Cordova, Livingston, Cope, Govan, and Yonder Field. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 141 and 169. Interstate 95 between mile markers 85 and 95.